What if you could make money while sleeping? But what if I told you that most passive income ideas are either dead or painfully slow? Well, I spent the last 30 days testing 5 different passive income strategies to find out what actually works in 2025. And in this video, I'm breaking down the results, the earnings, and which ones are just a waste of time. Let's dive in. So here's how I did it. I picked 5 popular passive income ideas. I spent 1 week diving deep into each one, setting it up, investing time, sometimes money, and then tracking how much it earned. Some were surprisingly profitable, others, total flops. Here's what happened. Passive income idea number 1, dividend stocks. Dividend investing is one of the oldest passive income strategies. The idea is simple. Buy stocks from companies that pay you a portion of their profits every single quarter or even monthly. What I did, I invested $2,000 into a mix of dividend-paying stocks, Coca-Cola, Realty Income, and Johnson & Johnson. Time spent, an hour of research and setting up the purchase. Return after 30 days, just $3.22. Yeah, that's it. Pros. Truly passive, stable companies, easy to reinvest dividends. Cons. Requires lots of capital for meaningful returns, extremely slow growth. Verdict. Great long-term strategy, but over 30 days. It's basically just a savings account that throws you some pennies. Passive income idea number 2, YouTube automation. Now this one, I actually have personal experience with. The idea here is simple. Create a faceless YouTube channel, like this one, where all the content is automated or outsourced. You write the scripts, use AI voiceover, stock footage, and maybe an editor. What I did, I launched a brand new channel in the finance niche. I uploaded 3 videos per week using tools like Pictory and 11 Labs. I promoted the videos on Reddit and Quora to get some early traction. Time spent 15 to 20 hours total between writing, editing, publishing. Return after 30 days served in direct income. 41 subscribers and 1,600 total views, and it's still growing. Pros, scalable with consistency. Content keeps working for you over time. Full control over brand and monetization. Cons. Takes time to build audience, needs consistent publishing, and not fully passive in the beginning. Verdict, big future upside, but don't expect instant cash. Passive income. Idea number 3, real estate investment. We all know that property is a classic way to build wealth, but what if you don't have $100K lying around? There are now platforms that let you co-invest in real estate with as little as a few €100 or dollars. What I did, I joined 2 platforms, Urbanity and Fundrise. I invested $1,000 in a commercial real estate project through Urbanite. Time spent less than 2 hours to choose and invest. Return after 30 days. €0 because these projects take months to mature. Pros. High potential returns, 7 to 12% annually. Diversified property exposure. Platforms handle everything. Cons. No liquidity. Returns are delayed. Risks if the market drops. Verdict. Amazing long-term option if you're patient. But if you're looking for cash this month, keep scrolling. Passive income idea number 4. Crypto staking. Lending. This one's been gaining serious traction. Crypto staking is when you lock up your crypto to support blockchain networks, and you get rewarded with more crypto in return. What I did, I staked 1,000 worth of Ethereum using Lido. Also tested USDT lending on Aave. Time spent, about 2 hours researching and setting it up safely. Return after 30 days. $9.42 in ETH, staking $7.50 from lending USDT pros. High yields, 5 to 12%. Fully passive once configured. Interest paid daily or weekly. Cons, high volatility, smart contract risk, not beginner friendly. Verdict, one of the highest yielding passive plays, but only if you can stomach the crypto roller coaster. Passive income idea number 5, affiliate marketing. This is a classic online strategy that still works in 2025 if you play it right. You Promote products or services using a special link, and if someone buys, you get paid. What I did: I built a simple Notion page with top 5 finance tools for 2025 and shared it on Reddit and Twitter. Used affiliate links from Amazon, Coinbase, and NordVPN. Time spent: around 4 hours creating the content and distribution. Return after 30 days, $36.80 from 7 purchases, mainly from NordVPN and a crypto hardware wallet. Pros: can be scaled across blogs, YouTube, social recurring commissions. No product needed, as requires traffic, needs persuasive content, competitive in some niches. Verdict: slow burn, but definitely promising if you enjoy content creation. Final comparison table: Dividend Stocks. Time spent: 1 white money. Invested: $2,000 30-day return. 3.22 scalable. Medium risk. Low YouTube. Automation. Time spent: 20 money. Invested: fees in 30-day return. 0 scalable. Very high risk. Medium. Real estate. Time spent: 2H money. Invested: 1,000 30-day return. 0 scalable. High risk. Medium crypto. Staking. Time spent: 2H money. Invested: 1,930-day return. 16.92 scalable. Medium risk. High. Affiliate marketing. Time spent: 4A money. Invested: 0 $30-day return. $36.80 scalable. High risk. Low medium. So, what actually worked? Affiliate marketing brought the highest short-term return. Crypto staking came in second, but with higher risk. YouTube automation showed the most promise long-term, especially if you're consistent. Dividend stocks and real estate are solid, but super slow. Here's the truth: passive income is real, but it's rarely truly passive, at least in the beginning. The secret is, pick one, go all in, and stick with it. If you found this breakdown helpful, hit that subscribe button right now, because in the next video, I'll go all in on the #1 strategy from this list and show you how to scale it from $0 to 1,000 per month. Let's build freedom, one income stream at a time.